Today I'll teach you guys how to delete messages on Instagram. Now there's two ways to achieve this. The first method I'm going to show you is going to delete the entire message. The second method I'm going to show you is going to show you how to delete the individual message. So first thing, after opening Instagram, you want to go on the message section. You can just click on the message icon at the top right. Once you're inside the message section, so the first thing I'm going to show you how to delete the entire chat. So to delete the entire chat, you just want to swipe right on the person's name or the chat, and it's going to show you these three options. Just click on more and click on delete. Once you click on delete, it's going to give you this option, permanently delete chat. Click on delete. Once you do that, every single conversation you had with this person is going to be deleted. But you need to remember this, once it's deleted, you cannot recover it. So make sure to back up everything you want so you guys can delete the chat. And the second option, or the second method I'm going to show you, is how to delete the individual message. So let's say I want to delete this message which I sent to him. So let me just send one random message over here to show you guys. So I just send my friend a message. Now if I want to unsend this message or delete this message, what I can do is hold on the message. Once I hold on the message, it's going to give me these three options. Click on unsend and click on unsend. Now the message will be permanently deleted. Now the message is deleted from my feed and the message is deleted from my friend's feed as well. But I cannot delete somebody else's message, alright? So the message sent by my friend, I cannot delete it. Only he can delete it, so you need to remember that. If you want to delete your friend's message, you just have to delete the entire chat. So that's how we guys can delete messages on Instagram. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.